everyone! Our topic for today is all about biological development, biological beginnings.
Biological development, an organism's genetic potentials are transformed into functional, mature structures over the course of its life.
Biological development can also characterize as a series of progressive, non-repetitive changes that occur during organisms' life history.
All natural phenomena are continually evolving.
Heraclitus is a Greek philosopher best known for his cosmology, in which fire is regarded as the fundamental material concept of well-ordered universe. Little is known about his childhood, and the only book he is said to have written is now lost. His ideas are preserved in the brief fragments cited and credited to him by subsequent scholars.
Biological beginnings. This mechanism starts with the interaction between an ovum and a sperm.
Biological beginnings from the time of creation, an infinite number of phases exist. Children's growth begins at this age and progresses into adolescence. First, consider the most important aspect of starting a new life.
Genes. In a living cell, genes are the fundamental unit of heredity.
Genes are made up of DNA. It starts with the characteristics of each of the parents that is transmitted to the new baby. They assess not just the physical characteristics of the child, but also his actions, ability to develop relationships, and learning capacities. Genetic disorders that may affect the child's development. Chromosomal abnormalities may increase an extra chromosome, a missing chromosome, or defective chromosome. Because of this, the children with chromosomal abnormalities may be affected the physical and cognitive development. For example, is Down syndrome. Single gene defects. It is caused when a child receives a defect gene from one of the parents. This can be serious. One of the examples is cystic fibrosis. This disease may cause diagnosis.
Prenatal development is another stage of a child's development.
Prenatal development is the development of the new being in the mother's womb. It is divided into three phases, which are the formation of zygote, the embryo, and the fetus. The zygote split into two parts. One will become embryo and one will become placenta. Zygote releases hormones to stop menstruation and the development has begun. The period of embryo is from 2 to 8 weeks, where the major body parts begin to develop. It develops from the bottom and from the outside. The fetus is then from 8 weeks until the birth. At this stage, the baby finalizes the development of the limbs and internal organs. Mother must take care of themselves to have a healthy baby.
Birth of the baby. Be prepared.
The mother must be prepared and must know to feed, bath, change, and other things that they will be doing every day with their babies.
Thank you for listening. Again, my name is Anika May Alcayanan from BPE 1A.